Hi everyone, welcome to my series Food 2D in Blender 2D. Today I will show you how I make a adorable 2D pancake. You can find the reference model link down in the description. And if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. First, Shift A. Go to Mesh, choose Cylinder to create a pancake. Press S to scale it up, then press S plus Z to scale on the Z axis. Press Tab, go to the Edit mode, press Ctrl plus R to make a loop cut. Left click once to adjust the loop cut. Left click again to confirm the loop cut. Do the same for the second loop cut. Turn on the X-ray. Click and drag your mouse to choose the top face. Hold Shift to choose the bottom. Press S to scale it down. Press I to make a loop cut into faces. Turn off the X-ray. Go into the modifier, add modifier, choose subdivision surface. Increase the viewport to 2. Right click to shade smooth. And then Shift D to duplicate the object. Move the object to the desired position. Second, we will apply the icing. Shift A, Mesh, choose Cylinder. On the left, we will see a Cylinder menu. Open it and decrease into 16. Then, press S plus Z to scale on the Z axis. Press Tab, go to the Edit mode. We will move and adjust the size to make it appropriate. Press 3 on the keyboard or choose Face Select tool to select faces. Select the top and the bottom face of the object. Press I to make a loop cut on both sides. Go to the modifier, add subdivision surface. Increase the viewport into 2. Select 2 faces which you wanna work on. Press E to extrude faces. Move it to the left side. Press R to rotate the direction of faces. Follow the same process to match the sample. We can also make a dripping effect by moving vertices. Press 1 on the keyboard or choose Vertex Select. Turn on Proportional Editing. So, when we try to move vertices, we will see the circle. It shows where vertices will affect it. We can adjust the affection by scroll the mouse up and down. The third is the topping. Start with Shift A. Mesh, add a cube. Add subdivision surface. Increase viewport into 3. Turn on the X-ray. Click and drag your mouse to choose the bottom of the strawberry. Press S to scale down. Also, scale up the top of it. Go to the Object mode, right-click, and choose Shade Smooth. Shift A. Mesh. Choose a cube. Also add a subdivision surface. Increase the viewport to 3. Press S plus X to scale on the X-axis. Pick the top of the leaf. Press S plus Y to scale. Press Ctrl plus R to add loop cut. Move it backward. Do some adjust to satisfy. At last, scale the leaf down and duplicate it 2 more times. For the blueberry, you just add a UV sphere. Press S to scale down. Press Tab to go to the edit mode. Turn on the X-ray. Click and drag the mouse to choose some faces. Move it down to make a blueberry correctly. Shift D to duplicate it twice. Next is whipping cream. Add a cylinder. Press S plus Z to scale it down along the Z axis. Go to edit mode again. Press Ctrl plus R to make a loop cut. Turn on the X-ray. Choose the bottom of the whip. Scale it down a little bit. Do the same with the top. Go to the modifier. Add subdivision surface. Press I to add loop cuts into faces. Press E to extrude the top face, then press I again. Add more Ctrl plus R. Press S to scale, press E again to extrude more. Do the same process for the rest. And last of all is 2 cinnamon leaves. Add the plane by Shift A, find a mesh. Press N to open the menu. Change Y from 0 to 90 degrees. Press Tab, go to the edit mode. Select the top. Press S to scale it down. Ctrl plus R to make loop cut. You can adjust the number of the loop cut by scrolling the mouse up and down. First click to determine the number. Second click for confirm position. Press S to transform the leaf's shape. Ctrl plus R to separate the leaf. Click and drag the left side. Press X to delete vertices. Add mirror. Choose Y for symmetry axis. Select 2 vertices. Press E to extrude it. Do same for the rest till leaf shape done. Add solidify. Increase the thickness. Add subdivision surface. Increase the viewport. Make some detail more correctly. Apply the mirror and solidify. Place the leaf in the desired position. Shift D to duplicate it. Go to Material Review. In the bottom left corner of the screen, we will open Shader Editor. Click on the pancake. Choose New. Scroll up the mouse to zoom the node. Then add shader to RGB and the color ramp between the nodes. Change liner into constant. It will help us modify the pancake shadow settings. We can also directly modify the color by using the color ramp. white will be the main color, black will be the shadow. And the magic part, you can adjust the color more correctly by go to the render, open color management, change AGX into standard, and look, none into very high contrast. After that, go to the material. Click plus to add more material. Click browser on the left. Choose material which name pancake. Copy it. Go to the edit mode. Choose part you want to add color and click assign. In that case, we can add more than one color into one object. Do the same with other. Next to the icing, click New, add also shader to RGB and color ramp. Change liner to constant, then click plus to add more shadow color. In the sample, we can see there are 3 different shades: white, brown, and deep brown. Keep white color. Change gray to brown and black to deep brown. Feel free to adjust the color. For the strawberry, do the same process. But the difference is we need to add more notes for seed effect. We'll shift A to add texture coordinate, add the UV, link with mapping, add image texture and RGB curves. Shift A again to add mixed color. A will represent the dark color, B is for the bright color. Link RGB curves with A, image texture with B. Color of image texture will be with color of RGB curves. Link color ramp with fact. Add image texture. Click New. Choose New Image. Go to UV mode. Remember to turn on the UV sign selection and check the Live Unwrap in option. Press 2 on the keyboard or click on Edge Select. Choose any edge you want to UV. Hold Ctrl and choose any. We will see Pick Show the Path menu. Change Select into Tag Scene. Do the same to get the result above. Next, go to Texture Paint mode to coloring the strawberry. Then go back to the Layout mode. Adjust color ramp and RGB curves. Till it's done, go to Texture Painting again to draw seeds by using darker color. For the leaf, shading is as same as pancake. You can check the image in the top right corner. Do the same with the whipping cream. Make cinnamon leaf the same way as the strawberry. Do also the UV paint in the texture paint. Shift D to duplicate another one. We'll adjust the blueberry like this. Add more material. Shift D for 2 more. Crease pencil is a powerful tool. In this video, we are going to use it for 2D line art. Shift A. Go to Crease pencil. Choose blank. Move it up a little bit. Add a camera to show how crisp pencil affected. By Shift A, choose Camera. Place the camera. You can right-click to set active camera or press 0 on the keyboard instead. Back to the crisp pencil. Go to Modifier, add Modifier and choose Line Art. Change source type from Collection to Object. Choose Pancake for Object, GB Player for Player, Black for Material. This is the default color. We can change it in Material section. Base color. We can also change the size of the line art at the thickness in Modifier section. Do the same with the other objects. Shift A, go to Light, add Sun. Move it left side. Set top-down lighting. Adjust the sun setting in Light section. Shift D to add more sun front of the pancake. Keep adjust until you're happy. We will go to timeline mode. Shift A, go to Empty and add plane axis. Move to the center of pancake. Click on Empty. Hold Ctrl and click on Camera. Press P. In that case, when you try to rotate the empty, your camera will track the empty. Move your mouse to this position. Drag it to open another window. Set active camera in this window. In main window, click on Z axis. Turn on the record button. Choose the empty. Hold R to rotate the empty. Click once. To set define the starting position of camera. You will see a yellow dot in frame 1. Go to frame 75. Choose empty again. Hold R and define the second position. Click mouse at the first frame. Shift D and drag it to frame 150. Go to Shader Editor. Change Object to World. This default setting gonna be affect the line environment in Blender. So, we need to add more detail to avoid it. Shift D to duplicate the node. Shift A to add a mix shader. And Shift A again to add a light path. Then, the lower background nodes will adjust the background's color and the node above will adjust the light effect. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below so we can figure out together. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.